let's decorate our mug of hot cocoa. First, we're gonna start with that blue frosting, and we're gonna kick it off with piping an outline around where that blue frosting is gonna go. As you can see, we squeeze a dollop into it, right in that center spot, and then we use our spatula to spread out the frosting right where we wanna keep it. Careful to not get it over into the side where our little handle is. As we finish spreading it so it's nice and smooth for a background, we then take our blue piping bag, and right here we're gonna pipe almost like a little number 2 to create a cute little handle today. Then we grab our white frosting, and here, once we've cut the bag nice and thick, we just pipe 3 lines going right across before we add all of our little accoutrements, our mini marshmallows, and our included crushed peppermint. Yum! From here, I like to add those white sanding sugar as little sprinkles of snow behind our snowman. Once those are just how you like them, you're gonna pipe 3 dots, one on top of the other, and then grab your coral frosting and just pipe a little line so it's like his carrot nose. When you're ready, then you grab your gray frosting and pipe a nice little hat right on his head. And voila! You have a mug of hot cocoa. Enjoy! Cheers!